Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I come back again. It's me, Mr. Nobody, here on Business Terms again. So, we have a problem, still a pattern and series problem, Sigma, as usual, Sigma problem. So, we are asked to determine K. So we are told that the sum to the first 8 terms is 254 over 64. So the first 8 terms of this pattern. And then we are told that the pattern is starting at 1. So what do we know? I'm just going to try and determine the first term. T1 is equals to K 1 over 2 to the power of 1. So it's equals to K over 2. And then what else do I have? I have R. R it's 1 over 2. It's there in the bracket there. And then I also have the sum to the first 8 terms. And what else can I use that I'm given? So this is basic application. You don't need to overthink things. You are given all the information. I mean, you have the formula sheets and stuff. So you're just gonna use what you have to get what you don't have. It's a fair game. So I'm just gonna change my color there to blue. Looks nice. So Sn is equals to A 1 minus R, sorry, n to the power of n, and then it's 1 minus R. From this formula, what do I have, or what am I told? I'm told that I have 8 terms, and I also know A, and I also have R. So I'm just gonna plug in my values. So the sum to the first 8 terms it's 255 over 64, and then it's actually equal to K over 2. So it's K over 2, 1 minus 1 over 2 to the power of 8. So that's what we're working with. So it's 1 minus 1 over 2. That's what we have right here, guys. So I'm just gonna try and work out the denominator first. So it's 255 over 64 is equals to K over 2, 1 minus 1 over 2 to the power of 8. Okay, so 1 minus 1 over 2 is like 0.5 minus 0.5, half. 1 minus it's half, so we have like 1 over 2, so it's left with half. And then I'm just gonna multiply this by this other side to eliminate it. Yeah, so it's simple as that, so it's 255 64, yeah, multiplied by 1 over 2 is equals to K over 2, 1 minus 1 over 2 to the power of 8. Sorry for the thing sloppiness. It's 255 over 64 multiplied by 1 over 2. So we have 255 over 128 is equals to K over 2 multiplied by 1 minus 1 over 2 to the power of 8. Since this is a numerical value, we don't have any variables whatsoever, we can actually calculate it. So it's 255 over 128 equals to K over 2 bracket. So let's plug that into our calculator and see how much we get. 1 over 2 to the power of 8. So it's 255 to the power of 256. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna do this. It's 255 multiply the brackets 128 is equals to 255K, and then 256 times 2, so we have 512 there. Okay, then I'm just gonna take this to the other side like I did earlier, you can call it, yeah, to eliminate the denominator, the side so will only be left with the one base answer. So it's 255 times 512. Ooh, it's a bigger number, but then here I'll work with it and see what I can do. It's 128. So it goes to 255k. Okay, divided by 128, it's 1020255k. So from there, it's basic division. Okay. Oh, and then there we have it. It's 4. So this goes 4 times into this. And there is our k. So we've reached the end of the question. And you got our answer k. It's equal to 4. And there you have it, guys. I hope you're satisfied with the solution. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You help me, I help you. I need the likes. Thank you.